So I'm going to bypass the Save As over there for a moment. I'm just going to pull the joystick down. It takes me to Group, the right-hand joystick there. And I'm in Groups. And let's push that one in. And this is an area where you can see that I can add lights to and from a particular group. Here I'm in Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4, and let's just go to Group 5 where there's nothing. And I can choose, let's say, to add light 1, I push up, and there's light 1. I can navigate here. Second, I want to move the channels by pushing up or down. I'm used to pushing this joystick left and right to move channels, but here you move up or down. I'm going to go over to 3. I'm going to push up on here and add it, and I can also remove a channel, see, by going up or down to this group, and then I have this group set up. Now I could save this group by going out and going to Save As, but I open groups and I select things and add them to them when I'm on site. It just takes a moment here to push up and down and navigate what lights you want in a group. Keep moving through different groups here. You can see what you have on them. And then we can go back to the menu by pushing this.